Hello guys, my name is Victory and today I'm going to teach you how you can make use of your spot healing tool, your healing brush tool, your patch tool, and your content awareness move tool. Okay, let's get started. For your spot healing tool, the shortcut is J. Okay, let me bring down an image from the internet so that we can illustrate what this tool can do. Okay, um, for the spot healing tool, basically it's used to remove pimples, like any blemish on the face that you feel you don't like. You see, smoothing that at the spots, any spots you stroke, it will remove the pimples there. This picture, I think this picture is well treated. Let me look for a rough picture, someone with okay, then this picture is rough. Okay, okay, let's apply our spotting into and see what it does. Like this spot now, you see, it removes black spots, whatever blemish that is on the face, pimples, black spots, whatever stuff. So basically that's what that's what it's used for, which I mean the spot healing tool. And we have a healing brush too. Basically I'll show you what that does. It's exactly, they do the same thing, they actually do the same thing. This picture is kind of clear already, but basically they are used for pictures that are not nice. Maybe you want to remove the pimples and etc. Really difference here. You click on alt key. This one, maybe there's a pimples here and this place is small. So you click on this place, alt key, and select this place to fill this place. That's how it works. It's more like your clone tool. It's more like your clone tool. So that's for that one. Then the patch tool is okay. Let's say this spot now. I just cut it here. There's a pimples there, and I'll take it out. I'll replace it with a smooth part. Automatically the spot that was there will be removed. So that's how it works. For your content awareness, so okay, you see what it does. You can actually, this part I just cut now, I can actually take out this part with the tool, and I can, okay, let me draw it again. You can use it to cover a second spot. Maybe you are treating a picture and the eye of the picture, one side is bad. You can just use that to move this eye here and take it down to the side. Then you reverse. Okay, let me do something practical. I don't want to be very objective based. Okay, something like this now. See what I just did? You tweak the eyes, Ctrl T, flip horizontally. So basically you're done. But you see, I've collected the eyes from the second side, but I just wanted to show you what you can do with the two. Okay, that's for that. Maybe you are doing a scary movie poster, you can also use this to create this kind of effect. Okay, red eye 2. Okay, click on the image and move straight to the eyes, and you can actually, we are not seeing the effect now because the eyes of the image. Okay, if you look closely, you see the changes. I don't know if you are seeing it, but there's actually changes. Basically what it does, it removes the red from the eye. That's what it does. Okay guys, if you know this video was helpful to you, please like and share and comment.